Okay, let's take a look at this question here. What is the product of 0 and 8 tenths and 3 and 2 tenths? So I notice I have two decimal numbers, 0 and 8 tenths, and I have 3 and 2 tenths. And I am finding the product. What operation am I going to do if I am finding the product? That's right, I'm going to multiply. I know the word product is a key word that tells me I'm going to multiply. And as I can see here, product, in fact, is a key word that tells me to multiply. So I'm going to multiply like my numbers like normal, and then remember to place my decimal at the end. So I have 0 and 8 tenths. And I'm going to go back to the problem and find my second number or factor, 3.2. So these are my two factors. I'm going to multiply my two factors to find the product. So let's begin first. 2 times 8. What is 2 times 8? Or 8 times 2? That's right, 16. So I'm going to put down the 6, carry the 1. Now I have to do 2 times 0. What is 2 times 0? That's right, 0, because anything times 0 is 0. But I can't forget to add one more. So I'm going to put down a 1. Now that I am done multiplying by the 2, I can cross out the 1, and I can even cross out my digit 2. Now I need to multiply by the 3, but what do I need to remember to do before I multiply by the 3? That's right, I need to put down a placeholder 0. Now I can begin multiplying. 3 times 8. What is 3 times 8? Or 8 times 3? 24. I'm going to put down my 4. Carry my 2. 3 times 0. What's 3 times 0? That's right, 0. And I can't forget my 2. Now I have my two partial products. I have to add them together. 6 plus 0 is 6. 4 plus 1 I know is 5. Then I need to bring down the 2. Now I need to remember where to place my decimal point. So I need to think about, and I'm going to just rewrite it because sometimes that helps me. I need to think about how many numbers are after both decimal points. So when I look here, how many numbers were after both decimal points? How many digits are after that decimal point? That's right, there are 2. There's 1 here, and there's my second one here. You can even look back to the problem, and you can even underline, oh, there's a digit here, and there's a digit here. So that's a total of 2 digits after the decimal point. So that means my answer needs to have 2 numbers after the decimal point. So I'm going to move back 2 times, and there is my decimal point. There are 2 numbers after the decimal point. So my answer is 2.56. How do I read that? 2 and 56 hundredths. I hope this helps.